my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Years ago, when I started this cooking website, I created a tradition. The first recipe of the year has to be a salad. In 2024, it was my amazing glass noodle, while the year before was Egyptian pharaoh, and so on. For 2025, let's begin the year with this tasty roasted winter vegetable pasta salad. With a great assortment of veggies and seasonings, this is a healthy way to start the year off right. So let's get cooking. In a large bowl, we'll combine rutabaga, not turnip, and to see the difference, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then carrots, as well as celery root, also known as celeriac. And by the way, they all cube the same size. We'll pour on some canola oil, just enough so all the veggies are coated, and toss them around before adding dried rosemary, followed by dried basil leaves, smoked paprika, but you can use mild if you want, some garlic powder, plus ground sea salt, and of course, freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients very well, after which we'll drop them on a large baking sheet lined with foil that has been greased with cooking spray. We'll evenly spread them out in a single layer and then transfer it to a 425-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until tender, flipping them halfway through cooking. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and return the roasted veggies back to the large bowl. We'll now pour in 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and add some lemon zest. We'll stir to coat and set aside to cool a little, about 10 minutes. Although the roasted vegetables will go in our pasta salad, they can also be a nice side dish for any protein. You can serve them for breakfast too. Replace the veggies from my farmer's sausage skillet and use them instead. Alright, so back to this recipe. In a salad bowl, we'll add cooked pasta. I'm using rotini, but penne or orzo are also great options. And our roasted vegetable mixture. To this, we'll add cherry tomatoes, a Granny Smith apple, but pears are a delicious substitute, some red onions that we soaked in water to remove the bitterness, and to learn how, the link is on your screen, plus some toasted walnuts. We'll gently toss the ingredients until nicely mixed, and then add feta cheese, cubed as well. Look how gorgeous it is. Wow! As you can see, there's a lot of yumminess in this salad. Before serving, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley and pour in our favorite vinaigrette or dressing. For this salad, I like using my mustard vinaigrette, which is coming up at the end of this month. And my friends, this is our roasted winter vegetable pasta salad. Loaded with deliciousness, this warm salad is exactly what we all need for this time of year. It's a tasty recipe that's both colorful and healthy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!